Hello friends, welcome to my channel Technical Arquen, myself Arnab Kundu. Today I will discuss some problem which is solved by programming language like C. So go to the computer screen. Hello friends, today I will discuss another triangle problem which is Floyd's triangle. The problem is that write a program in C language to draw the Floyd's triangle as follows. So in your first row, single one, second row 2, 3, third row 4, 5, 6, fourth row 7, 8, 9, 10, fifth row 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? So already discussed some triangle problem in my previous video. So for this type of problem we know it can be solved using nested loop. So also this Floyd's triangle problem also solved using nested loop in C language, right? So go to the C IDE. I will solve this problem easily, right? So today I will discuss another triangle problem which is Floyd's triangle, and it is solved by C language. Okay. So at first we write the header file hash include within angle bracket just write stdio.h. Okay. And now write main function. Okay. And after that brace open brace close, and within that we first declare the variable. So just write int r comma I comma j, another variable n, and just initialize its value 1 and put the semicolon. Okay. And now just write printf, and within double quote just write enter the number of rows. Okay. And after put the semicolon, and then write scanf, and within double quote just write %d. Okay. And then just write ampersand r. R indicates the row number. Okay. And after that we are declaring the nested for loop. We already know if we solve this type of triangle problem we need a nested loop. So for the nested loop is concerned, we are using for loop. The outermost loop will be for, and also the innermost loop also we are using for. So outermost loop just write for I equal to 1 semicolon I less equal r semicolon I plus plus. Okay. And put the braces, and within that for we are include another for, means we are declaring the nested for, and this is the inner loop. Okay. And write j equal 1 j less equal I, and just write j plus plus. Okay. And also put the braces for the inner loop is concerned, and just write the statement printf %d and put a space, and after just write comma and then just print n. Okay. And after we just increment the value of n, so just write n plus plus. Okay. And that means this is the end of inner for. And after that, before ending of outer for, we are just write another statement which is printf, and within double quote just write new line because it indicates the new row. Okay. And this is the end of outer for, and after we are just close our main function, so just write the statement return 0. Okay. And the main is end after that. Okay. Now at first we save that file, so just go file and save option, put a name, suppose write Floyd underscore triangle, and put a extension dot c. Okay. And press enter. After just go to the execute button and press compile and run, and this window shows enter the number of rows. Suppose we put the number is 5 and press enter, so it just print the Floyd triangle according to the logic. Okay. And also if we again execute that program and press compile and run and put the row number is 4 and press enter, so it just provide 4 rows, and it will shows Floyd's triangle using C language, right?
I hope that you have understood today's topic. For more videos, keep watching my channel Technical Arquin. Thank you and bye bye.